Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to eBay account step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Type eBay, come into the address bar, and press enter. Wait for the eBay homepage to fully load. Look at the top left area for the word sign in and click or tap it. If you do not see it, open the menu icon and then select sign in. On the sign in page, click or tap the email or username field. Type the email address or username linked to your eBay account. Double check for spelling mistakes, spaces, or missing characters. Click or tap the continue button. Now click or tap the password field. Type your eBay account password carefully. Make sure caps lock is off and your keyboard language is correct. If you want, select Stay Signed In only on a private device you trust. Click or tap the Sign In button to log in. If eBay asks for a verification code, choose how to receive it. Check your phone, email, or authenticator app for the code. Enter the verification code exactly as you received it. Click or tap Verify or Continue to finish verification. If you forgot your password, click Reset Password on the sign-in page. Enter your email or username again to start the reset process. Follow the instructions eBay sends to create a new password. Return to the sign-in page after resetting the password. Enter your email or username and click Continue again. Enter your new password and click Sign In. After you log in, confirm you see your name or My eBay at the top. Click My eBay to access orders, messages, and account settings. If you are on a shared device, open the account menu and choose Sign Out when finished. If the page keeps failing, clear your browser cache or try another browser and repeat the steps. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video for more easy tutorials. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and proceed to the next step when ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.